Bonjour et bienvenue à Simpa French Classes. Hello and welcome to Simpa French Classes. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre les parties du corps. Today we are going to learn the body parts. So let's start. Un garçon, a boy. Une fille, a girl. Now let's see the parts of the face in French. La tête, the head. Le visage, the face. Le front, the forehead. Le front, the forehead. La joue, the cheek, and the plural will be les joues. Les dents, the teeth. I have mentioned here F for feminine. Within the brackets, les dents, la dent. The feminine singular will be la dent, the tooth. Le nez, the nose. L'oreille, the ear. The plural will be les oreilles. Les oreilles. Les oreilles, the ears. La bouche, the mouth. La bouche, the mouth. Le menton, the chin. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to watch more videos. Now let's see the eyes. Les yeux, the eyes. The singular part will be un œil, an eye or l'œil. L'œil, the eye. Les yeux, the eyes. La paupière, the eyelid. La paupière. Le sourcil, the eyebrow. Le sourcil. Le sourcil, the eyebrow. Le cil, the eyelash. The plural will be les cils, the eyelashes. So that's all for today. Merci beaucoup. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Merci.